Hey everyone, Linus here. Today, we're diving into the world of Linux again with a look at Oreon Lime R2. This new distribution is making waves in the Linux community, and I'm excited to share my thoughts on it. Oreon Lime R2 is built on Alma Linux, which is known for its stability and reliability. Alma Linux itself is a community-driven project that aims to provide a free and open-source alternative to CentOS. This makes Oreon Lime R2 a solid choice for those who need a dependable operating system. One of the standout features of Oreon Lime R2 is its user-friendly interface. The developers have put a lot of effort into making sure that the desktop environment is both intuitive and visually appealing. This is perfect for anyone who is new to Linux or coming from a different operating system like Windows or macOS. The desktop environment is based on GNOME, but it has been heavily customized to provide a unique experience. The icons, themes, and overall layout have been designed to be both modern and functional. This makes it easy for users to find what they need and get things done quickly. For those who are switching from Windows, Oreon Lime R2 offers a smooth transition. The developers have included several features that make it easy to migrate your files and settings. There are also plenty of resources available to help you get up to speed with the new system. Those who want something reliable and familiar will find Oreon Lime R2 to be a great option. The system is designed to be stable and secure, with regular updates and long-term support. This means you can count on it to keep your data safe and your system running smoothly. It's also great for experienced users looking for a solid, long-term supported system. The customization options are extensive, allowing you to tweak the system to your liking. Whether you're a developer, a designer, or just someone who likes to tinker with their setup, you'll find plenty to love here. Oreon Lime R2 promises a bunch of cool features. From advanced security options to a wide range of pre-installed applications, there's something for everyone. The system is designed to be versatile and adaptable, making it suitable for a variety of use cases. We're talking about a customized GNOME desktop, gaming capabilities, and long-term support. The gaming performance is particularly impressive, with support for a wide range of titles and excellent compatibility with popular gaming platforms. This makes Oreon Lime R2 a great choice for gamers who want to enjoy their favorite games on a Linux system. We'll put these claims to the test and see how it stacks up. Let's get started. In this review, we'll be looking at the installation process, the user experience, and the overall performance of Oreon Lime R2. We'll also be comparing it to other popular Linux distributions to see how it measures up. So stay tuned and let's dive in. Alright, first things first, installation. When you first get your hands on Oreon Lime R2, the initial step is to install the operating system. This might sound daunting, especially if you're not particularly tech-savvy, but don't worry. The good news is that Oreon Lime R2 makes this pretty straightforward. The installation process is designed to be as user-friendly as possible. The setup wizard is easy to follow, even if you're new to Linux. It provides clear instructions and helpful prompts at every step. It guides you through the process step by step. From partitioning your hard drive to selecting your time zone, everything is laid out in a logical and intuitive manner. Now, I did notice that the initial boot took a little longer than I'm used to. This is something to keep in mind if you're in a hurry to get started. We're talking about around a minute on an SSD. While this isn't excessively long, it's noticeable compared to other operating systems that might boot up faster. Not a deal breaker, but definitely something that could be improved. However, once the initial setup is complete, you'll find that the system is quite responsive. Once you're up and running though, subsequent boots are much faster. The system seems to optimize itself after the first boot, making future startups significantly quicker. This is a great relief for those who value efficiency and speed in their daily computing tasks. After booting up, you'll be greeted with a clean and modern desktop environment. The interface is sleek and intuitive, making it easy to navigate through various applications and settings. Customization options are plentiful, allowing you to tailor the look and feel of your desktop to your liking. Whether you prefer a minimalist setup or a more feature-rich environment, Oreon Lime R2 has you covered. The operating system comes pre-installed with a variety of useful software so you can start being productive right away. From web browsing to document editing, everything you need is readily available. And if you need additional software, the built-in Software Center makes it easy to find and install new applications. With just a few clicks, you can expand your system's capabilities to suit your needs. Overall, Oreon Lime R2 offers a smooth and user-friendly experience, making it a great choice for both beginners and experienced users alike. So set sail with Oreon Lime R2 and enjoy a seamless computing journey. Once you boot into Oreon Lime R2, you're greeted by a customized GNOME desktop environment. And let me tell you, it looks pretty slick. They've done a great job making it visually appealing. The layout is clean, the icons are crisp, and the color scheme is easy on the eyes. It's definitely a step up from your average Linux desktop. Plus, it's designed to be intuitive. So, even if you're coming from Windows, you'll feel right at home. Okay, let's talk performance. I put Oreon Lime R2 through its paces, running a bunch of different applications. From office suites to video editing software, it handled everything I threw at it like a champ. And gamers out there, listen up. Oreon Lime R2 includes Wine. Now this means you can actually play some Windows games on this thing, I know, right? While it might require some tweaking for certain titles, it's a pretty cool feature. Section 5. Bridging the gap file systems and hardware. One of the things I appreciate about Oreon Lime R2 is its focus on compatibility. It comes with native NTFS support. This means you can easily access your Windows drives and transfer files without any hassle. And when it comes to hardware, Oreon Lime R2 really shines. It detected all of my hardware components without a hitch. This makes the setup process a breeze, and you can be up and running in no time.
First of all, what went through my mind is how stupid am I to actually...
Section 6 Drivers, the Unsung Heroes. Now we all know that drivers can be a pain in the neck, but Oreon Lime R2 seems to have this handled pretty well. It comes with a comprehensive set of drivers out of the box. This means that most of your hardware, from your graphics card to your printer, should work without a hitch. And if you do run into any issues, the community forums are a great resource for finding solutions. Section 7. Finding your crew, community, and support. Speaking of community, Oreon has a dedicated and helpful community of users. They're active on the forums and always willing to lend a hand. They also have documentation available if you prefer to troubleshoot things yourself. While the community might not be as large as some other Linux distributions, it's definitely a welcoming and supportive one. Section 8. Charting the course, strengths, and improvements. Overall, Oreon Lime R2 is a solid Linux distribution that delivers on its promises of user-friendliness, stability, and performance. The customized desktop environment is a joy to use, and the gaming capabilities are a welcome bonus. However, there are a few areas where I think it could be improved. The initial boot time could be faster, and the software selection could be a bit more extensive. Section 9. Oreon Lime R2. The horizon and beyond. So, what's the verdict? Let's dive deep into what makes this Linux distribution stand out from the rest. From its user-friendly interface to its robust performance, Oreon Lime R2 has a lot to offer. Whether you're a seasoned Linux user or someone who's just starting out, this distribution promises to deliver a seamless experience. If you're looking for a stable, user-friendly, and visually appealing Linux distribution, Oreon Lime R2 is definitely worth checking out. The developers have put a lot of thought into making sure that the interface is intuitive and easy to navigate. The desktop environment is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also highly functional. You can customize it to suit your needs, making it a versatile choice for a wide range of users. It's a great option for both newcomers and experienced users alike. For those who are new to Linux, the learning curve is minimal, thanks to the well-designed user interface and comprehensive documentation. Experienced users will appreciate the advanced features and the ability to tweak the system to their liking. The community support is also fantastic, with forums and user groups ready to help you out with any issues you might encounter. With its long-term support, you can be sure that you're getting a reliable system that will be around for years to come. This means you won't have to worry about frequent updates disrupting your workflow. The stability of Oreon Lime R2 is one of its strongest selling points. It's built to last, providing a secure and dependable environment for all your computing needs. Keep an eye out for future updates. They've got some exciting things on the horizon. The development team is constantly working on new features and improvements, ensuring that the system evolves with the times. Whether it's enhanced security measures, new applications, or performance optimizations, there's always something to look forward to. Staying updated will ensure you get the best possible experience from your Linux distribution. And as always, thanks for watching. We hope this review has given you a clear understanding of what Oreon Lime R2 has to offer. If you have any questions or need further information, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Your support helps us bring you the latest and greatest in tech reviews and tutorials. Until next time, happy computing!